In this video, I'll show you how to track store visits using store visit conversions in Google Ads. This tool is perfect for brick and mortar businesses that want to measure how online ads drive customers to their physical locations. Start by opening the Google Ads homepage and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. This is where you'll manage campaigns, check reports, and access key tools. Now, click the Campaigns tab from the left-hand menu. Here you can view or create campaigns, but for today, our focus is on enabling tracking. From there, go to Audiences, Keywords, and Content. This section defines who sees your ads and how they're matched to relevant searches. Make sure your targeting aligns with customers likely to visit your store. Next, click Locations. This is where you set your ad's geographic reach. If your business has a physical address, targeting the right area is critical. For example, if you run a clothing store in a specific city, focus your ads on nearby neighborhoods to attract people who can visit in person. Now look for location history. This data helps you see how ads lead to in-person store visits. You'll get insights into which areas or campaigns drive the most foot traffic, helping you fine-tune your strategy. To activate store visit conversions, go to Tools and Settings, then under the Measurement section, select Conversions. Click the plus icon to create a new conversion action and choose Store Visits. You'll be guided through a short setup to name your conversion, choose your campaigns, and set your preferences. Keep in mind, this feature isn't available to all advertisers. It's usually enabled for accounts with verified business locations and enough traffic volume. If you don't see the option, you can contact Google Ads support to request access. Once enabled, give your campaign some time to collect data. You'll start seeing reports showing how many users visited your store after engaging with your ads. This helps you understand which ads truly influence in-person actions and where your budget performs best. And that's it. You've now set up store visit conversions in Google Ads. This feature gives you a clear link between your digital efforts and real-world results, helping you make smarter marketing decisions. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more practical Google Ads tutorials, and check out the next video to learn how to analyze conversion data for even better performance.